Here I have a 40-inch sharp TV, and the problem of this TV is from the power board. So the backlight tested okay. So the backlight I am connecting with this external backlight driver. So the backlight voltage is 85 volt. Okay, so before connecting this one, by looking at the legend here. Okay, so here, so by looking here, there's several legend here. So one of the problem of the sharp TV is if the error got voltage, so the mainboard will turn off and it will create a blinking sign. So here if you can see here, there's some clumsy wiring here. Here is I'm using a DC to DC converter here. So the backlight driver and the DC to DC converter. So by looking here, there's a MF. So MF, this one no voltage, so I just cut the MF and just leave it here. And then the STB. STB is a voltage generated from the main board. So STB, I just cut the line. And then there's OFL. OFL also is a voltage generated from the main board. So OFL also I cut. And then the fourth pin is the error, ERR. So error here, I connect to the ground. So error here, I just cut and I connect this one. This line is from the main board. So the signal to connected to the main board, I ground. So the main board will detect error as 0. Okay, so after that the PS on. So PS on, no problem. This is a voltage from the main board. So this one is connected. PS on is connected. So when the PS on go to the power board, the power board will turn on. So this one no problem. I just leave it there. And then there's a ground. After that there's a 13.5 and panel 12 volt. So the panel 12 volt will appear when the PS on is 3 volt. And then here there's a 13.5. So for this converter, it need input VCC 12 volt. So the 13.5 I connect to this DC to DC converter. So input is 13.5, output I adjust to around 11.7 because I cannot get 12. This one the accuracy not good, this DC to DC converter. So I adjust to 11.6 or 11.7, and this input will go to this backlight converter, backlight inverter. So by using this, the TV is turned on already. The backlight turned on, the TV is turned on, and everything is working fine.